Hey, what's up guys? You're watching DIY Dozier, and on today's episode I'm going to show you how to change the antenna out to a stealth or hidden antenna on your 2014 or newer Harley Davidson touring motorcycle. Stick around, I'll show you the tools required and how to get the job done. Today we have a 2019 Harley Davidson Street Glide. This is a base model. So if you're anything like me, then you don't like this tall, unsightly antenna that all of our Harleys come with. It's never fun to walk around the motorcycle and get poked in the eye with this thing just sticking up. So there is no downside to changing out your antenna to a stealth or hidden antenna behind the fairing. So why not? You know, if you get the shorty antenna, it reduces your reception. If you buy the one that's only about this tall, you will have reduced radio reception. But if you do buy a hidden antenna, it's about $70. You can pick it up at Harley Davidson. It will clean up the back of your motorcycle a little bit. So if you come into the fairing on the inside, you're going to have one bolt right there. You're going to have another one down there in the bottom. It's going to be the same thing on the left side. One there and one down that bottom. And come around to the front of the bike, and we're going to have three across the windshield area. So what you're going to see me do is I'm going to take out these top three, pull out the windshield first. That way I don't drop it on the ground and tear it up. And then I'm going to take off the insides, and we're going to pull this fairing back and unplug the headlight harness. That way the headlight comes out in one piece with the fairing, and I'll sit it down. I will be using my T27 Torx Bit to remove the screws across the fairing on the motorcycle. So this is what your antenna looks like when you pull it out of the box. It's going to be neatly wound up here. You got some zip ties, you got an alcohol prep pad, and some wire holders there. What you're going to do essentially is you're going to clean the surface on the plastic around your pods here. You're going to go all the way around here, inside of the fairing, over the top, and all the way around here, wherever you're going to be sticking that wire holder onto. And then you're going to take your antenna pigtail there and just run it down and connect it right there on your AM/FM holder there. I'm gonna do this real quick and you can watch. Hey, and here's a pro tip for you. If you go on down and grab that, you just turn it counterclockwise and it comes right out. No tools required. I love it when that happens. All the way out. There we go. And if you're looking for something to do with this, I'm gone. And as for your grommet, just pull that bad boy out of there. Gone. Your new grommet will pop right in like so. I got a little helper, Mr. Jake. He's helping. Just follow along the video. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. If you like what you saw, be sure to click like and subscribe so you can be notified on future content being released. And until next time, do it yourself.